students, welcome to NIRS education channel. Let us continue the lesson The Lost Child. In our previous session we came to know that the child saw a roundabout in full swing and men, women and children, they were enjoying, they were screaming in whirling motion. And child was very much attracted by the roundabout and he could not resist himself. So he boldly asked his parents, I want to go on the roundabout. Please father, please mother. Asking like this, he turned back, but he could not see his parents there. He looked both the side, that side, this side, he could not see. Again he turned back, he could not see his parents. There was no sign of them. Now let's continue. A full deep cry rose within his dry throat, and with a sudden jerk of his body, he ran from where he stood. Yes, a deep cry, deep cry rose within his dry throat. From his throat, dry throat, a deep cry came out. And with a sudden jerk of his body, suddenly he jerked his body once and he ran from where he stood. He ran from where he stood, crying in real fear. And he was crying in real fear. He lost his parents. That's why he was crying in real fear. Mother, father, he was screaming. Mother, father. Tears rolled down from his eyes. From his eyes, teardrops, they were rolling down. Hot and fierce. Those teardrops were hot and fierce. Fierce means severe or wild. His flushed face was convulsing with fear. His flushed means embarrassed or confused. Confusion arising from hesitation. Confusion arising from hesitation. His confused or embarrassed face was convulsed with fear. Convulse means shake uncontrollably or violently. His face it was shaking with fear. Panic stricken was panic stricken. Panic stricken means frightened or scared. Panic stricken, he ran to one side first, then to the other. Yes, he used to run one side first. He used to run one side. After that, he used to run another side. Both the sides he was running. Hither and thither. And he was running hither and thither. Hither and thither means in various directions. He was completely confused. He didn't know where to go. That's why he was moving that side, this side, front, back, everywhere he was running. That is called what? Hither and thither. In a various directions he was running. Knowing not where to go. He did not know clearly where to go. Mother, father, he wailed. Wailed means cried. He was crying, mother, father. His yellow turban came untied and his clothes became muddy. Yes, he tied one turban. That turban now became what? Untied. Untied means it became loose. And his clothes became muddy. The clothes which he wore, that became muddy. Having run to and fro in rage of running for a while, he stood defeated. Yes, he ran like this to and fro, that side and this side, for some time. Okay, to and fro in a rage of running, in a wild manner, in an angry manner. He was running that side and this side for some time. Later, he stood defeated. At last, he accepted defeated. He could not find his parents, so he stood in one place. His cries suppressed into sobs. Earlier he was screaming loudly, now his cries suppressed into sobs. Sobs means you might have seen some children after crying in a loud voice for a long time, they start to do like this. Like this, they do. This is called what? Uh, sob. Okay. A cry with short, sudden expulsion of breathe. Okay, a short sudden expulsion of breathe. Okay, he was crying. uh, Earlier he was screaming loudly, now he started to sob. At little distances on the green grass he could see through his filmy eyes men and women walking. In the little distance, he could see there was a small land. It is filled with green grass, and some men and women were walking there, and he could see them with his filmy eyes. Filmy eyes means eyes which is filled with tears. He tried to look intently among the patches of bright yellow cloths, but there was no sign of his father and mother among these people. Yes, now he tried to look intently, intently means very carefully, among the patches of the bright yellow cloths. He tried to see the bright yellow cloths. The bright yellow cloths means his parents wore such kind of cloths. He tried to search such kind of cloth. But there was no sign of his father and mother among these people. But he could not see his father and mother among those people, who seemed to laugh and talk just for the sake of laughing and talking. And he saw those people, they were laughing and talking. And he felt that they were laughing and talking just for the sake of laughing and talking. Probably they did not have any proper reason to laugh and talk. Then also they were laughing and talking. Like that, boy felt. Why did he feel like that? Because he was in sad mood. That's why he thought those people were simply unnecessarily they were talking and they were laughing. Okay, because his mindset was like that at that moment. He lost his parents. That's why he was thinking those people were unnecessarily they were talking and laughing. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.